University Open Days in Australia 2022. There's a lot of common sense advice available. All of it's supplied by the universities. Here's just a couple. LaTrobe University, they've written some website content on 7 ways to make the most of Open Day, and Victoria University also how to make the most of Uni Open Days. The links are below in the description, and we've got some tips for tackling Open Days as well. Now, if you're considering university study, you should take the opportunity, if you can, to be part of one of these events at the university of your choice, or any of them actually. Make sure you get all the information that you can, and if you can't get there in person, especially if you're overseas, guess what? A lot of these universities have the option that you can get online and be there in a virtual sense, or have a one-on-one chat with university staff or career staff or their international students support team. Now, you'll not only find information about the academic side of university life at these open days, where you might have questions about courses or processes or requirements, but there's information also about the other side of university life, the social activities, student clubs that cater for many activities and sports and tastes and cultural aspects as well. Also accommodation, as well as support services from international student support staff. And these are all designed to help you gain success. This International Student Life is produced by Wise Words Media. This episode contains nil paid promotions. University Open Days in Australia 2022. If you're a future student or a prospective international student, if you're a parent of maybe your child wants to come to Australia to study, well, guess what? Most universities in Australia have an open day of some description. Some even provide campus tours, and some actually provide a combination of campus tours and virtual tours of not just their campuses, but many other facilities. Now, these information sessions for specific groups of people, not just future students, but also parents and career markets and such. Now, also, if you go to their website, many will likely have documents that you can download to help you discern which is the best university education in Australia for you and your child. What are the best ways to make the most of University Open Days occurring around the country in Australia? Well, guess what? We can give you a few tips on how to tackle Open Days. G'day and welcome to This International Student Life. We tell stories, and our story is international student education. Wise Words Media is always looking for great stories about international students in Melbourne, and we're always keen to share any story of any student here that we think might be helpful to those. You might be currently overseas just trying to decide whether to come to Australia. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll chat to you soon. All information in this episode is taken from sources available to the public in the public